Hello everyone. So this video is made for those who are applying for the MSc Nursing or MS Health Informatics, but don't have evaluation. If you have done your evaluation, like from CJN, FNS, if you have done any other evaluation company, you can use it, right? But if you don't have that, maybe you did your NCLEX, but you did with New York Board Nursing, and you don't have the evaluation of your transcript, foreign evaluation of your transcript, then you have to use the IEE. Okay. When I'm going to post a particular link, okay, which is very discounted price. I think it's 145. And with that link, you'll be able to get it cheaper, okay, at a cheaper price, okay. So I'll post it in this video, okay. Please, only those who are applying for the MS Health Informatics or the Masters in Nursing, they are supposed to use this particular link because it will go to the HMS partner institutions, and then you can also have a copy. Once you are done with the evaluation, you have to let your institutions that you attended send the document directly to them, and then they will be able to do the evaluation in less than 4 business days. Okay. Once they done the evaluation, it will be sent to the schools. Email Jane Jones or the one that is working on your document, the one that you'll be receiving emails all the time, that your evaluation is completed and you like a copy, right? They will always send you an email that, okay, we are finished. And then um, you have to the copy has been sent to your school, right? If you need a personal copy, you have to pay an additional $20. But if you email the one that is working on your document, they will give you your copy free of charge. So this is a good way. Okay. So you will receive an email, or you look at maybe um a link that I'll put on the video. Okay. And then you come here. This is when you click on that link I'll send you. This is what you will see. And then you click on this. So once you click, you'll get something like this. So you will see, then you put in your email. Okay. Let me try to put in an email here. Then you have to um, then you create a password and then create your password. Okay. And then if you are done with the password, then you try to verify. Once you verify, everything will be fine. So, I mean, you can save it, and then you fill in your details of, so maybe for name, let me just type something. Okay, let me just type something, and then date of birth. Let me just choose arbitrarily. Let's say this one, January. Which year should I use so that I can remember? So you go maybe 2000, maybe a mail, then your um this address, if you want a copy to be sent to you, but this one, mostly just use any of your address. So you can say, okay, um dear street, um maybe house number 26, something like this. Maybe apartment or whatever city. Let me just use maybe Accra. Okay. Or let's just say Accra. Okay. Province, maybe greater. This will be greater Accra. Maybe zip code 00233. Country Ghana. And then telephone number 0. Okay. 5452. Just put something there. And then we go. If everything is correct, it should send you to the next page. And then type of evaluation, you want to send it to US. So what's the educational, you want to go for the standard, okay? So standard, okay. Will you like, let's go through it and be very sure. Okay. Yeah. Will you like to include secondary school and post blah 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 to your report? Will you like to include both secondary school and post? No. All you need is what? Um, your what? Will you like to include both secondary school and post-secondary school credential? No. Okay. So your document is already in English, so you don't need blah blah blah. So processing time, we want to go for the standard, right? So standard processing time, you are not adding anything, right? So 3 business days. So you could have gone for it, but this is 3 business days. It has been waived for us, right? Because of the promo. Okay. Then we go. We continue. So from here, you have to add your school. So if you went to diploma or whatever, so country of education, let's say Ghana, and then type of education. So higher, okay, higher education, right? Name of education. So university, let me Cape Coast. Okay, it's already here. Name of certificate, maybe BSc, maybe nursing. It's already here. Name, just name as it appears on your transcript. So maybe just put the names over there. Mhm. Then field of study, nurse, and then year, you when did you study? Maybe 2021 to 2024. Then completed year awarded 2024, right? Then this is very important, okay? My institution will be sending original document by email, okay? I'll be sending original document provided by my institution or blah, blah, blah official, right? So I am uploading scan, blah, blah, blah for provisional. No, choose this one, the first one. So you allow your institution to send them by email. Okay, after everything, you get a reference number. You allow ask your institution to send it to them by email. Okay, so university, if you have to add another school, you add. Those of you who went for diploma, you add, and before you add the degree. Okay, yeah, they should send both the transcript and the certificates if possible. Then, so you want to see my EE blah blah blah, blah. Then that's the delivery method. They are sending directly to blah blah blah. If you have to add a screw, you can add, but this one only this for this particular purpose. If you want additional document, this is what it will be costing. So you don't need it. Let's go. Okay. We don't need additional. Okay. So from here, they will give you everything. Then you will say, okay, next, right? Review, whatever. So you put in your whatever, your card or whatever. I can say blah blah blah. Okay, so you go here, then you say pay now. Then once you finish, you get a reference number, and that reference number you will use to what? So I think there is a charge. Okay, after that everything should be around $150 and then you will send it. Okay, so you put in your details here and then what you pay. So this is how you should what go about it. If you have any question, let me know. This is for only those who are going using the HMS partner universities. Okay, yeah, if you have question about document evaluation or anything relating to school and whatever, please DM me and I'll be able to what to help you. If you also have questions, please put it in the chat and I'm going to respond to it. Thank you so much for watching, and then I'll see you in another video.